In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your custom object pipelines and stages. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can structure your custom objects in a way that matches your team's process and reporting needs. First, head to your trial guide. Think of the trial guide as your centralized launchpad inside your account. If you're already signed in, open the guide from your main navigation and let it load fully. This ensures you're working within the correct portal and have access to the tools we'll use. If you manage multiple accounts, double check the account switcher so you're editing the right environment. It's a small step, but it prevents a lot of confusion later. Next, click on Settings. You'll usually find the gear icon at the top of your screen. This takes you into the admin area where object configuration lives. Once you're in Settings, give the page a second to render. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the Settings search bar and type Custom Objects. That search shortcut is a great time saver and helps you jump straight to the right spot without wandering through menus. Now, click on Custom Objects. Access to this section depends on your subscription and permissions. If you don't see it, check that your user has the right permissions or confirm your plan includes custom objects. Inside the Custom Objects settings, you'll find where to configure your pipelines and stages. A pipeline is the overall process your custom records move through. Stages are the individual steps within that process. The goal here is to mirror how your team actually works, so your data stays consistent and reporting makes sense. Within this area, look for the options to manage pipelines and adjust stages. Use clear, action-oriented names for each stage so everyone understands when to move a record forward. Arrange stages in the order work truly happens, not the order that seems ideal on paper. If you see options for stage properties or probabilities, set them thoughtfully to improve forecasting and automation later. Consider creating a default pipeline if your team primarily uses one flow, and keep a short description handy for each stage to guide new users. Before you finish, review everything for accuracy, then save your changes. If your team relies on automations or reports, let them know what changed so they can update filters or workflows to match your new pipeline and stages. That's it. You went to the trial guide, opened settings, and accessed custom objects to configure your pipelines and stages. Follow these steps, keep names simple, and align with your real-world process, and your custom objects will drive cleaner data and better insights.